Hey there guys, Chet here. If you're tired of manually copying and pasting data into Airtable, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the one connection that will let you automate your Airtable bases, saving you a ton of time. We're going to connect n8n to Airtable, and I'll walk you through every single step. So let's jump right into my n8n account. Now, the first thing that we need to do is create a new workflow. I'll go ahead and click the Create Workflow button. Now, this gives us a blank canvas to build our automation. Every workflow in n8n needs a trigger to start it. To keep things simple, for this tutorial, we will add a manual trigger. I'll click the plus button and choose Trigger Manually. This adds a play button to our workflow so that we can test it whenever we want. With our trigger in place, it is time to add the Airtable node. Now, this is the part of our workflow that will communicate with Airtable. I'll click the plus button again to add a new step. In the search bar that appears on the right, I'm going to type in Airtable. Once you click on it, n8n will show you all of the things that it can do with Airtable. For this example, let's choose the Create a Record action. Now, once I click that, n8n takes me to the settings for this node. Here is the most important part of the process. You will see a field that says Credential to Connect With. This is where we need to give n8n permission to access our Airtable account. It felt a little complicated the first time I did it, but n8n makes it very secure and straightforward. I'll click the drop-down menu and choose the option to create new credential. A new window will pop up giving us a couple of ways to connect. We can use an access token or something called OAuth2. Let's go with the access token method. It's very fast. Now you see access token field waiting for that token. To get this token, we have to go to Airtable for a moment to create one. It's like getting a special key that we can give to n8n. I'll open a new tab and go to the Airtable page for creating tokens, which is airtable.com/create/tokens. Now, this takes you to the Developer Hub where you can manage personal access tokens. You will see a button that says Create New Token. Let's click that. First, Airtable asks you to give the token a name. I suggest naming it something very clear like n8n connection, so you know what it's for if you see it later. Next, you have to choose the scopes. This is an important security step where you tell Airtable what this key is allowed to do. You can let it read data, write data, or even comment. Since our goal is to create a new record, we need to give it the data.records:"write scope. Finally, you choose the access level. This is another great security feature. Now, you don't have to give n8n access to your entire Airtable account. You can just pick the specific base that you want this automation to work with. And once you have set that up, you just click the Create Token button. Airtable will then show you your new token. This is the only time that you will see this full token, so please be sure to copy it. Go ahead and do that. Now, with the token copied, let's go back to our n8n workflow. All we have to do is find that access token field in the pop-up window and paste our new token right in it. Then we click the Save button. You'll see the window close and a confirmation message will appear saying that the connection was tested successfully. Hey, that's all it takes. Your n8n and Airtable accounts are now connected. You have created a secure, reusable credential that you can use in any Airtable node for future workflows without having to go through that whole setup again. So that's how you connect n8n to Airtable. It really just comes down to creating that token in Airtable and giving it to n8n in a very secure way. Now you can start building all kinds of helpful automations to manage your data. If you found this video useful, I go much deeper inside of my school community. I've built a complete n8n course where you'll learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems, plus you get access to live calls and exclusive templates that you absolutely will not find anywhere else. The link is down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.